Day after day, we turn on the news and we hear calls to action to save a world on fire. Climate change has been a prominent problem within the media for the last 30 years, yet little has been done to fix this self-inflicted issue. While 30 years ago, the effects of climate change may have been fewer or less extreme, in the year 2020, Australia, the United States, Brazil, Indonesia, Argentina, Siberia, and even the Arctic experienced drought and record wildfires. Let's look to our own backyard for a bit more clarification on how these wildfires occur. The Pacific Ocean has been struggling with a warming zone that's caused a high-pressure system that redirects the course of crucial thunder and rainstorms that keep California's flora lush and green. This whole weather system in warm water is called La Niña. Sadly, La Niña cannot be fixed by just waiting. The pressure system diverts cold air elsewhere, so the warm water is not able to cool itself. This issue perpetuates itself, even making itself worse in some instances. However, La Niña, and its inverse El Niño, is a cycle that's been around for at least 300 years. So what does this have to do with the worsening drought conditions in California? Well, La Niña hasn't been causing the drought, but it has been exacerbating it. In the last century, Southern California has warmed roughly 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit. While this may not seem like a lot to humans individually, on a global scale, this can be the difference of life and death for many species that inhabit the Earth. Over years of research, we've discovered that high concentrations of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, paired with the high temperatures, are linked to some of the greatest mass extinctions in history. A study conducted by 11,000 scientists across the globe revealed, quote, they found about 50% of the species had local extinctions if maximum temperatures increased by more than 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and up to 95% if temperatures increased by more than 5.2. So then what's the solution here? For California, the drought could potentially be solved by sending desalinating barges out into the Pacific. This could allow for a greater amount of water to be directed into the state. However, this only treats a symptom, not the illness. In order to fix these issues permanently, we have to address the large-scale issues. 10 companies produce 90% of the global CO2 emissions. If we could reduce these emissions and switch to clean energy like solar, wind, or water, we can not only halt the destruction, but reverse it as well. The problem is we have to act quickly, because there isn't too much time left before it's too late.